Did you know that parasites can live in your body for years without any obvious symptoms? It's true, but there's a simple way to get rid of them in just 15 minutes. In this video, we will explain why it's important to cleanse your body from parasites in time, what symptoms indicate their presence, and most importantly, which natural methods can help eliminate them quickly and safely. Why is it important to get rid of parasites? Parasites can cause allergies, frequent infections, weak immunity, chronic diseases. Their effects include fatigue, skin rashes, digestive problems, and even headaches. If not removed in time, they continue to slowly destroy your health. Main symptoms of parasite presence: constant fatigue even after sleep, digestive problems, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, rash, itching in the anal area, sudden weight changes, headaches, joint pain. If you have at least one of these symptoms, it's time to act. How to get rid of parasites in 15 minutes. Method 1. Garlic plus milk. Recipe: 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, crushed, 100 to 150 milliliters of warm milk. Drink on an empty stomach before bed. The cleansing process begins in 15 minutes. This method is gentle and does not disturb gut flora. Method 2. Pumpkin seeds. Contain cucurbitin, which paralyzes parasites. Recipe: 30 to 40 grams of raw seeds. Crush. Mix with honey and 100 milliliters of water. Take on an empty stomach in the morning. Method 3. Cloves. Kill parasite eggs and prevent reinfection. Recipe: 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 150 milliliters of warm water. Drink 2 to 3 times a day for 3 to 5 days. Method 4. Flax seeds. Normalize digestion and expel worms. Recipe: 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, ground. Add to water or yogurt. Take on an empty stomach in the morning. Method 5. Walnuts. Rich in omega-3 and anti-parasitic compounds. Recipe: soak 6 to 7 walnuts in 100 milliliters of warm water overnight. Drink in the morning. Method 6. Celandine. Cleanses parasites and improves liver and kidney function. Recipe: 1 teaspoon of dried herb in a cup of boiling water. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes, strain. Drink 1 tablespoon 2 times a day before meals. Important: celandine is a strong herb. Use with caution. After cleansing the body, follow a balanced diet. Stay hydrated. Support gut flora with probiotics. Avoid overeating and sugar. Support our channel by subscribing. 70% of viewers watch videos without subscribing. Click the so you don't miss important health tips. Thank you for watching and supporting us.